Here's how to use Woofz. Woofz can be accessible on Google, Chrome, or Safari. You can just go ahead and click on the website. To use it, click on Start Training Options and wait for a few seconds until you are directed on this page. First, what you need to do is to select the gender of your dog and then select the age of your dog. And then afterwards, choose which breed your dog has. Example, it is Golden Retriever. Click on Continue afterwards and continue once again. And then you will be asked, which commands has your dog already learned? Now just go ahead and choose from these commands. And then it is free to go ahead and check it out. Click on Continue options once again. And then you will be also asked, what about potty? And which behavioral issues would you like to fix to your dog? And then, afterwards, you have to wait for a few seconds because the Woofz is going to create a personal program for your fluffy friend or to your dog. And then afterwards, you will be asked once again, how do you perceive your dog in life? So, just go ahead and answer it. And then, wait for it to be loaded to that you can see the personal program. And there you have it. You can now go ahead and have the official plan to your dog and use it on your pet.